Hi, today we're talking about a doctor appointment form. So this is a simple appointment form that can be used by medical practices to schedule medical appointments through the website. So in this form, we have got the first name, the last name, date of birth, gender, phone number, address, email, and all the details that you would like to have from the customers. So how the customers would fill up the form? First of all, click on share form and click on copy form link and provide this link to the users whosoever are going to fill out this form. So I'm going to quickly fill in some form details over here. And prior to that, let's check the responses view. So under the responses, you will be capturing all the form details. Let's quickly delete this previous entry which was made. So this will be doctor appointment form. Let me rectify this. So as you can see, we have now have a blank database. So let me quickly fill in the form for a use case. So let me go back to this particular form and let me randomly fill in some of the details as it is required. So let's say the gender is male, phone number, let me fill in something. So we have filled in all the details that is relevant in this form. And let me click on submit. As I click on that, you will be able to see the response has been submitted. And if you go back to the appointment form window, you can see under the responses view, the new response has been submitted over here. Okay. So this is how the users can fill in the form to submit the responses, and you can capture everything over here in the form responses section over here. Besides this, I also want to talk about a new tool, PDF Output, which helps you generate PDF documents in bulk. It uses a Google document as a source of the template file, and it works with Google Sheet and the Notion database, which has all the information that you want to replace in the Google document. I've added a video for how you can generate invoice documents in bulk at the bottom. You can watch this video to understand more. And if you have any queries, please reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com, and I'll be happy to assist you in any queries or any specific needs for a template. So do check out PDF Output if you are in requirement of this. Thank you. Have a great day.